Which period caste system was born in India? Which period caste system was born in India? And why? Which period caste system was born in India? Caste system as a system, it has its caste has a traces from Mauryan period. Megasthenes gives the evidence. But system, it is born in Gupta period. Promotion in post-Gupta. Peak in Rajput period. Caste system. System born in Gupta period. Promotion post-Gupta. Peak Rajput period. Why? How? Why? What is the requirement of caste system here? And how it was formed? 6th century BC? Sixth century BC. Every craftsman has its own guild. Weaver, ironsmith, potter, barber. They all have their own guild. The managing authority. And this guild regulated their economic and social functions. Economic status of a weaver and ironsmith will be different. So is their social status. 6th century BC, guild system. Every craftsman has their own guild, which regulated their social economic functions. Gupta period, second urbanization got set back. Gupta period, second urbanization got set back. Currency system started declining. Gupta period. Second urbanization got set back. Currency system started declining. Faihan says lower level trade was done in kaudis. Kaudi. People say na, do kaudi ka aadmi. Means person without value. And this led to the emergence of self-sufficient villages. Which villages? Self-sufficient.